Uh, this is my maiden speech.
Yes.
Just want to participate and discuss regarding this war against drugs. I feel this is a very strong subject regarding drugs. The youth of our state, I feel they're really watching and want the government to strongly fight the war against drugs. The biggest fear now, I feel the territory of drugs is moving fast and strong towards the rural area also. So for example, the drugs fight is just not in the urban area, but I feel towards the rural areas is moving really fast. For example, there is an incident in my area, in my constituency. The growth and the rise of crime, especially theft, in my area has been growing day by day. So it creates a fear in and around my constituency and also in the rural areas. So I urge, before I resume my seat, I urge the government to strongly fight the war against crime of drugs, not only in the urban area, but also in the rural areas too. Thank you, sir.